You're looking at my air bearing fixture I'm going to be putting on eBay for sale. I've got it set up right now with a pretty damaged 3/4 inch carbide solid 4-flute center cut. I'm going to use a green stone wheel here to rough it in so I don't eat up a diamond. Right now we're set at about 5 degrees on the collar. Stops are in place. We're going to go ahead and we're going to start, I'm going to give you a demo on it here just to show you how it works real quick. This does come with collets, instructions, how to operate it, swivel base, tilt head. You can do ball nose, tapered, 2-flute, 4-flute, just standard tooling cut. Anything you need to, you can pretty much accomplish with these. They're a really good alternative compared to like your Derricks or Cutter Masters. I got one of them in the corner if anybody wants it. They're kind of a toy compared to these, but a definite money maker, especially with the cost of tooling. I'm not a big fan of import tooling, so I like to resharpen as much as I can. So I'll give you a quick demo here and see how well we do. Again, I apologize for the poor quality on the video here. I'm gonna run everything basically while I'm by myself. So this handle here, this is our return. When we come back into the wheel, that is so we can rock away without disrupting our feed rates. So let's go ahead and we're gonna get her fed right in, and we'll come in here and start at a few thou. This is a pretty damaged end mill again, like I said. So we're going to barely make some contact there. And what you want to do at this point is just draw back. Okay? Now we're going to go ahead and rock to the next flute. Same thing. Draw back. So it sounded like our major we had got down, so let's go ahead and feed in a little bit more so we can get a good successive cut. That's about 35 thousandths right there. So we're going to go ahead and alright, next flute. Rock away from the wheel, rotate to the next one on the stylus, pull, next. Now we're going to go ahead and we'll feed in using the unit itself, not your grinder. There's about another 35. We're going to rock away. Going to the next flute. Alright. You can see how quickly we just had taken a broken, busted end mill and we renewed it. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to rotate to set our relief. That way, we can get a really, really nice chip flow. I find personally about 5 degrees works really well for steel and 7 for everything else. And then just go ahead, we're going to tighten that back down. We're going to rock away. Alright, we're going to feed inward a little bit. Just a little bit more to go here. And our last flute. Back to beginning. Feed in. And now on this pass here is what we're going to do is very lightly come back, enter, draw, enter, draw, and that's it. We have successfully restored our end mill so it can be used once more. And then I'll try to get another video on eBay to show you how using your actual snap clip here will allow you to index and cut the faces without having to have a second operation unit. Thanks.